For our Capstone project, we worked on a medical protocol, and it was really great because we got to use all our expertise from computer science over the last 4 years to solve a real problem.
It's a class experience, but more application-based. Realizing that, there isn't some nice printed out spec for, okay, this is the class project, and this is what you have to do in 3 weeks. It's on us to figure out what exactly the customer needs.
So our group worked on IMCI, which is a medical protocol used in developing countries to aid in the diagnosis of sick children. Our goal with this project was to streamline that process and make it as efficient as possible.
And so now that the community health worker has completed their version of the form, a doctor could come in with the clinician version of the form. They can load from QR code, and immediately the doctor goes right to the summary page. So the clinician has to do very little work, and they can instantly see what's going on with the patient.
One of the things that makes this capstone really interesting and really challenging is the fact that you're working to solve a real-world problem under real-world constraints. It's really a different experience than other capstones, and it's what really drew me to actually work on this project. My Status is a tool that allows patients to self-manage their chronic conditions. If patients were able to interact with an app on their own time and let care providers know about what's going on.
Kind of the whole goal of the Capstone was to take into consideration the unique technical challenges that come into play when you're designing for areas with really low connection and low power and just low technology infrastructure. And it's been really kind of cool to think about computer science in a different way, and also kind of see how computer science can really affect these communities in which really the technology that does exist there has not been utilized at all.